subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola has launched its new budget smartphone under E-series in Europe called Moto E30, and it is quite similar to recently launched Moto E40 smartphone with some minor changes in terms of specifications. Talking about the specifications, the Moto E30 features a 6.5-inch HD Plus Max Vision display with 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has 90Hz refresh rate support. The phone is powered by Uni-SoC T700 chipset, paired with Mali G52 GPU. The smartphone packs with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of onboard storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Moto E30 supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 48MP main camera with f1.79 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has an 8MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support, and it runs on Android 11 under Go edition. Additionally, the smartphone features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP52 certified for splash resistance, and it also includes dedicated Google Assistant button for better voice control. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.1 by 75.6 by 9.1mm, and it weighs around 198 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Moto E30 has been listed to price in Belgium at €100, and it will be available in digital blue and mineral grey color options. So what do you guys think of this Moto E30 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.